Perfecting the air, DAIKIN.
This video is a tutorial on how to remove the drain pan of the FTKZ-V model. Before beginning the tutorial, I would like to introduce the product details that have been improved. Firstly, we can remove the drain pan without removing the PCB box. In this, only one harness has to be removed, and the process to access the drain hose is much easier than in previous models. Secondly, all screws can be removed from the front. The total number of screws that must be removed has also been decreased. The first step is to open and remove the front panel. Remove the flap blades. Remove the two screw covers. Remove the three screws securing the casing and remove one screw from the electric box cover. Remove the casing. Remove the one screw securing the shield plate and remove the shield plate. Remove one harness. Open the control panel. Remove the one screw that is securing the drain hose. Move the drain hose down. Remove one screw to unlock the drain pan. Remove the drain pan by releasing the hook lock and pulling the drain pan downwards. From this video, you can see our various product improvements, including drain pan release without removing the PCB box, only having one harness to be removed, easier access to the drain hose, having all screws that are removable from the front side, and decreasing the number of screws to be removed as opposed to previous models. They allow us to access internal parts easier and faster.
Perfecting the air, DAIKIN.